Yes, mama and my papa them. I do this short, I want to do this video for tell and I say that time don't reach where all man need to put your head for the fight. I don't see how when Nigeria people they all come out say they want to fight Cameroonian for their country. Me, I don't be Cameroonian here, I be Ambazonian fighter. And I stand for fight for my freedom of our people them. So if a man feel say if he can challenge me for inside my place, me dey for back. At the year how they talk say they don't kill this, they don't do this. Now see me this. Now see me there, see there. I need to shake for any man. Me any man no say time don't reach for that people them. I dey come for them. And I dey come for all now. That Nigeria people they wanna think say una too much. When I say bullet in the enter una now, we go see what that bomb so enter on our body. When I think so una get hot, we go come for now. Una go know how we dey. Level don't change here. Me any man where the stay for Lobby Estate, it is stay for Lipenja, me pack come out. Because I come, the time go be na say not civilian. I don't go lie for Siam for day. Because now it don't be na banter between me and that Nigeria people them. Since they say they want to see me, I come for them. And me they ready. What way they do and if say they don't win, they know I win. But they didn't for back. I tell any man for Lobby Estate, say me come on now so with the one for Lipenja. I don't want to repeat myself again. Lobby Estate, Lipenja, I want to see me the banter be between me and them. I don't want to get some civil and me get injured. My way life for year, me year. I don't get plenty top for turn now. That time don't reach to fight. Me any man come up for play what I talk. Now the last order that the game. If you don't know that self, when I tell you why they call it and then who they call it. He said okay the boss, Afara. I send you down of Afara. If you not say you strong, me told me for so and so place with me and you go stand up. I don't hear say don't come for fight me, eh? My brother, ready? I tell you, Father, I say ready because I come for you. If you say two, I do I small. If you say two, I do I big. You know big. Wait till me I go do you. You know go fit to understand. I tell you, Father, if you know what's good, you pack your kako, you leave this area. I don't over here, you don't over talk plenty. Your time don't come for you for go for hellly grave. If you don't leave this town, me I go make you go leave, go for heaven. Not for for heaven, for hellfire. I don't give you now 2 days for you to evacuate for this environment. I don't get talk to tell plenty. Now the small listener that I get to tell my people them. Thank you very much.